Are you tired of promoting low-priced products and earning minimal commissions as an affiliate marketer? If so, it may be time to step into the world of high-ticket affiliate marketing. In this video, we'll show you how high-ticket affiliate marketing functions and how you can start earning high commissions with these 8 best highest-paying affiliate programs. Before we get started, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon for pop-up notifications for my next videos. In this type of affiliate marketing, you'll have the opportunity to promote and sell high-value products or services with prices exceeding $1,000 and earn significant commissions for each sale you make. With the potential for higher commissions, high-ticket affiliate marketing can be a lucrative opportunity for affiliates who are looking to scale their earnings. However, it's not just about promoting high-priced products. To succeed in high-ticket affiliate marketing, you'll need to have a strong understanding of your target audience, the products you're promoting, and the sales funnel used by the product creator. You'll also need to be skilled in various marketing strategies, such as email marketing, social media marketing, and paid advertising to drive targeted traffic to the product sales page. So whether you're a seasoned affiliate marketer or just starting, this video is for you. Let's get started and learn how you can make a lucrative income with high-ticket affiliate marketing and these top-paying affiliate programs. High-ticket affiliate marketing programs function in a similar way to traditional affiliate marketing programs. However, the main difference is the products or services being promoted, which are high-priced items with commissions that can range from hundreds to thousands of dollars per sale. Here are the general steps in how a high-ticket affiliate marketing program functions. Joining the program. First, you need to find a high-ticket affiliate marketing program that aligns with your interests and niche. Once you find a program, you'll need to apply and be approved by the product creator or vendor. Promoting the product. After you're approved, you'll receive a unique affiliate link that you'll use to promote the high-priced product or service. You'll need to use various marketing strategies to drive targeted traffic to your affiliate links, such as email marketing, social media marketing, or paid advertising. Making a sale. When a potential customer clicks on your affiliate link and purchases the high-priced product, you earn a commission based on the agreed-upon percentage or flat rate. The commission earned can be significant, ranging from a few hundred to thousands of dollars. Receiving payment. The product creator or vendor will usually pay you the commission earned on a regular basis, such as monthly or bi-weekly, depending on their payment terms. To be successful in high-ticket affiliate marketing programs, you need to focus on promoting high-quality products or services that align with your audience's needs and interests. And let's move on to the video and see which are the 8 best highest-paying affiliate programs. Number 1. Amazon Associates. Amazon Associates is one of the largest and most popular affiliate programs, allowing individuals and businesses to earn commissions by promoting Amazon products on their website or social media channels. With millions of products to choose from and commission rates of up to 10%, affiliates can earn significant income by promoting Amazon's wide range of products. Amazon also offers various tools and resources to help affiliates optimize their promotions and track their earnings, making it a favorite among both experienced and novice affiliate marketers. Number 2. Bluehost. Bluehost is a web hosting provider that offers affordable and reliable hosting services for websites. As an affiliate, you can earn up to $65 per referral by promoting Bluehost's hosting services to your audience. Bluehost offers a variety of hosting plans, including shared, VPS, and dedicated hosting, making it suitable for businesses of all sizes. The company also offers a user-friendly control panel, 24/7 customer support, and a 30-day money-back guarantee, making it a popular choice among website owners and affiliate marketers alike. Number 3. SEMrush. SEMrush is an all-in-one digital marketing platform that offers a variety of tools and features to help businesses improve their online visibility and performance. As an affiliate, you can earn up to 40% recurring commission for each sale, referred to as SEMrush. With features such as keyword research, site audit, backlink analysis, and more, SEMrush is a valuable tool for SEO and digital marketing professionals. It's also used by businesses of all sizes to track their competitors, improve their website's performance, and drive more traffic and sales. Number 4. Shopify. Shopify is a popular e-commerce platform that allows businesses of all sizes to create and manage their online stores. As an affiliate, you can earn up to 200% commission for each sale referred to Shopify. With features such as customizable templates, payment processing, and shipping integrations, Shopify makes it easy for businesses to create a professional and user-friendly online store. It also offers various tools and resources to help businesses grow their online presence and increase their sales, making it a popular choice among both new and established e-commerce businesses. Number 5. ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is a popular funnel builder that allows businesses to create high-converting sales funnels and landing pages. As an affiliate, you can earn up to 40% recurring commission for each sale referred to ClickFunnels. With features such as drag-and-drop page builder, a /B testing, and email marketing integrations, ClickFunnels makes it easy for businesses to optimize their sales funnel and increase their conversions. It's used by businesses of all sizes, including entrepreneurs, coaches, and online marketers, to grow their audience, generate leads, and increase their revenue. Number 6. HubSpot. HubSpot is a leading inbound marketing and sales platform that helps businesses attract, engage, and delight customers. As an affiliate, you can earn up to $1,000 in commission for each sale referred to HubSpot. With features such as lead generation, email marketing, social media management, and more, HubSpot is a valuable tool for businesses looking to improve their marketing and sales performance. It's used by businesses of all sizes and industries, including startups, small businesses, and enterprise organizations, to grow their customer base and drive more revenue. Number 7. Aweber. Aweber is a popular email marketing platform that allows businesses to create and send professional emails to their subscribers. As an affiliate, you can earn up to 30% recurring commission for each sale referred to Aweber. With features such as a drag-and-drop email editor, automation, and analytics, Aweber makes it easy for businesses to create effective email campaigns and build their email list. It's used by businesses of all sizes and industries, including bloggers, online entrepreneurs, and small businesses, to connect with their audience and grow their revenue through email marketing. Number 8. Teachable. Teachable is an online course platform that allows individuals and businesses to create and sell their own courses. As an affiliate, you can earn up to 30% recurring commission for each sale referred to Teachable. With features such as course creation tools, customizable templates, and built-in payment processing, Teachable makes it easy for course creators to launch and sell their courses online. It's used by a wide range of course creators, including coaches, authors, and online educators, to share their knowledge and expertise and earn passive income through online courses. That brings us to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment and let us know. And don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date on all of our new content. See you soon. Thanks for watching.